Hey groomers, Tyler here with Smokey. Just wanted to show you if you're shipping in your scissors, curved scissors. This is a great way. Each scissors just wrapped up in a roll, and that way you're not damaging the curve in like a flat case, smushing it. So just wrap your scissors in bubble wrap, roll them up, just so there's no metal on metal, and that those curves are not getting damaged. And this is nice. It'll fit in a box. Put a rubber band around it. It's perfect. But yeah, those flat cases, when you squish them down, they could kind of bend that curve, and that's no good, especially with those super curves. Make sure to just invest in some bubble wrap. You could use a bunch of plastic bags, anything that's like squishy and gives it space to move around and well, not move around, but not get squished. So this is how I like to do it in a roll. So good job.